In this video, we'll see how to find out the area between the two curves using GeoGebra. So the first function that we have considered is y is equal to x, and another function that we have considered is y is equal to x square. Let us call this x as fx and this x square as gx. So in the GeoGebra, first we'll draw these two curves. Then we'll find out the point of intersection of these two curves, that is a and b. And then we'll see how to find out the area between these two curves. So now you can see here we are having the GeoGebra. The first function that we have introduced over here in the input box is fx is equal to x. Then we'll introduce gx is equal to x square in this input box. So that is our second curve. So that is the parabolic curve. So these two curves, they are now getting plotted over here. We just zoom it out so that we can find out what is the area between these two curves. So we have to find out this point of intersection as we have seen earlier. So to find out the point of intersection, either you can give command over here or you can search from this bar, toolbar or menu. So we can search over here. So here you will find intersect. So click on that intersect. Then select these two curves, that is this blue curve, that is nothing but the parabola, and the red line, that is nothing but the straight line, so that you will get 2 points A and B, which are nothing but the points of intersection. Now just arrange this neatly. So you can select and arrange over here. Now here we are having only points. If you want the coordinates, right click, go to object properties and select, instead of name you can select name and value, so that you will get the name, that is label A, and value or coordinates as 0, 0. Similarly for point B, right click and select name and value. Now this area we have to find out. So for that we'll give the command over here. So you can see area between is equal to, so concentrate on the input box, is equal to integral in the bracket f comma g comma 0 comma 1. So we have to find out the area between the two curves fx and gx, and the limits are from 0 to 1, because we know that while finding out the integration between these two curves, we have to integrate y1 minus y2 with respect to dx, and y1 and y2 are nothing but x and x square in this particular case. So limits for x are 0 to 1, and therefore we have given those particular limits in the input box. So you can find out this area between the curve by using the command. Once again, see the command, area between is equal to integral fg 0 comma 1. So this is the limit, these are the limits of x 0 to 1. So this area between will be written over here. Now you can use alternately the text command also in the input box, so that if you don't want this area between written, then you can use the command like this. So text area is equal to plus area between function, which we have defined earlier, so that it will take the value of area between as a number of 0.17 or 0.1667 or 1 by 6. So this is the, don't want this area between, then just right click it and click on the show label. So you can adjust this text over here, then right click on this, click on show label, so that, and now you can once again adjust this area. So this is the area between the two curves by using GeoGebra.